Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. So today we're going to be looking at the ALEX topic, finding the first terms of a geometric sequence using an explicit rule. So what that means, to have an explicit rule means I can plug in the n value, which is the term number, so n equals 1 my first term, n equals 2 will be my second term, etc. And I can plug that in directly and find the term. I don't need to find all the ones before it like I did with a recursive rule. Okay. So if I'm looking for the first four terms, I'm going to be using n equals 1, n equals 2, n equals 3, and n equals 4. Okay. Those should give me my first four terms. So my rule here is a to the n, so a sub 1, which is the first term, a sub 2 is the second term, equals 8 times 2 raised to the n minus 1 power. All right, so we're going to go ahead and plug in the n value for each of these. So a1, so our first term, 8 times 2 raised to the 1 minus 1. So that's 8 times 2 to the 0th, which is 8 times 1. Remember, anything to the 0 power is 1. So that first term just comes out to be 8. A sub 2, our second term, will look like this. So that's 8, and then 2 minus 1 is 2 to the first, which is just 8 times 2, which is 16. A3, 8 times 2 to the 3 minus 1, 8 times 2 squared, which is 8 times 4, so 32. Down here, last one we're trying to find is the fourth term, a sub 4. 8 times 2 to the 4 minus 1, which is 8 times 2 cubed. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 cubed is 8, so that comes out to an even 64. So our first four terms are 8, 16, 32, 64.